Over the last few years, we've seen solar up and down. We've seen a lot of installers go out of business. We see a lot of orphan systems, we call orphan systems, homeowners whose installers out of business, and they don't know where to turn to. And my team and Solar Insure are there to help them. The majority of the manufacturer's warranty are limited in scope and in time, meaning that some manufacturers' warranties go for 10 years, 12 years, whereas our warranty is for 30 years.
It covers all of the main components. We cover the panels, we cover inverters, microinverters, optimizers, and so if anything goes down, we will be there to help them navigate through finding a service provider, doing a contact for them.
We get a lot of homeowners that don't understand the basics of solar, and we try to educate them. We also walk them through basic troubleshooting processes, how to turn their breakers on and off, how to turn their system on and off, how to communicate with the manufacturer if it's needed.
We have a service team that is there, able to help the homeowner navigate through whatever issues they may be having from their system. And our service providers are vetted, so they really are in good hands when they have our warranty.
We have a wider range of really good people who really want to help the homeowners out. They really want to provide that 5-star service to our homeowners.
Solar ownership should feel simple, protected, and long-term. Solar Insure gives you the peace of mind that you deserve.